Hey, so in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the drink that I drink in order to burn stomach fat and to enhance your curves. I'm actually coming back from Pilates right now, and what I usually do is I grab the drink, grab a couple of shots of it. I don't have any, so I decided to go ahead and make a video to show you guys exactly how to make it, since I have to make it anyway. I've been on my weight loss journey. I'm down about 13 pounds, but for some reason for me, I always have extra stubborn fat in my stomach area and in my back area, and this drink truly helps with this. It is really great. It also has really great anti-inflammatory benefits, as well as boosting the immune system. It's nothing you can get in the store. It's nothing gimmicky about this. This stuff just works. So I have everything kind of spread out right here. I want to show you guys exactly how to make it. All right guys, so here are all the ingredients that I used in order to make the drink. So let's just go over why this works. So the first thing is ginger. This is ginger here, obviously, but I like to grate it like this when I'm making the drink. And ginger helps with the waist to hip ratio. So basically what it does is it gives you that hourglass figure, if that's your thing. It's definitely my thing. And it also aids in digestion, which reduces bloating, and it helps to burn calories, which of course then burns fat. So we use ginger first, and then what I do is I go in with cinnamon. I like to use cinnamon sticks, but I'm out, so I'm gonna have to use the cinnamon powder. And what this does is it just literally targets stomach fat. It's numerous studies that shows that abdominal fat is more sensitive to the effect of cinnamon than fat in any other areas of the body. And it also helps to burn carbohydrates more efficiently. So it just burns more fat, basically. The next thing that I use is turmeric. I like to use the turmeric root. You could use the turmeric powder if you want, but I feel like turmeric root is gonna give you a better source of minerals and nutrients that you need. And turmeric helps to regulate blood sugar, which prevents insulin resistance. So basically it just encourages the body to release excess fat, and that's what we want. Now, other than that, what we use to pair with that is black pepper. Black pepper, in order for the body to absorb turmeric, it has to be taken with black pepper, especially if you want it to cross over the blood-brain barrier and reduce inflammation. This is why I pass the ginger turmeric shots that I see at the store. I just pass right on by it because it doesn't have pepper in it. So aside from that, black pepper is also a diuretic, and it gives a major boost to your metabolism. The next thing that I use is lemon. All I do is just peel this and use it whole and put it directly into a cup. I'll show you guys in a second. But lemons work well because it's packed full of vitamin C. And if you didn't know, vitamin C actually helps the body oxidize more fat during your workout. So make sure you take a vitamin C supplement too. But lemon is great for detoxifying, and it also helps to release toxins, which basically shed fat. So now all I'm gonna do is add all of the ingredients to this cup right here. This is the blender cup. We're gonna blend everything together. So I'm just gonna put the ginger in. And then when we get to the turmeric here, girls, do not use your fingers to touch this turmeric. Make sure you are using a spoon, because this will stain your fingernails, okay? This stains everything, so be careful with root turmeric. So I pour that in, and then what I do is I don't really measure it out, but then I take my cinnamon and I just add that. I usually have the cinnamon sticks and grind it down, but it's fine. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to add the black pepper that you don't see in the drinks in the store, y'all. Make sure that if you do, just check it out for yourself, and you'll see that it's no black pepper, so you're not even absorbing the turmeric. So I add the black pepper, and then finally what I do is I go in and add the lemon. I'm just gonna peel this lemon. And some people use lemon peel, and that's fine, but I read this article one time that said that lemon peel has more germs on it than a public toilet. So I was like, yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'll just try to avoid the lemon peels from here on out. But I just peel it like so, and then just drop the entire lemon in. Now all we have to do is add some water. And let's blend it together. So this is what the drink should look like once everything has been blended. And what I do is I take it and I put it in a bottle like this. I get these bottles off Amazon. They're pretty cheap, so I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. And then I put it in the refrigerator to chill them. All right guys, so just a couple of things before I go. The first being, if you do not have a blender, that's perfectly fine. You can make a tea out of it. I have a video on making the tea out of it because that's what I make for my son and for myself. It is delicious. You can add a little honey if you want to, if you're gonna do it for your kiddos for immunity and for anti-inflammation. But if you're trying to lose weight, I would avoid adding the sugar, but it's delicious when you do. The second thing is, if anyone's gonna ask me if I am gonna be making these available at the store, no, because it's cheaper if you make it yourself and it's easy. And then the last thing is, I think just simply just be careful with the turmeric when you're making it. I'll always wear gloves when I do, but I didn't just for the sake of the video. Oh, and what it tastes like. I'm about to have one now. It's intense. It's spicy, and you're gonna feel your stomach burn. It helps you go. So it does alleviate that if you have any issues with constipation or anything like that. Other than that, guys, if you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comment section below. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Now the burn.